What's up, all you cool cats and kittens? It's your boy, Mr. Alt, coming at you again, straight from Zoom, with my giant head. I was trying to do some cool green screen stuff. Then I realized my shirt was exactly the same color as my background, so that didn't work. That's kind of annoying. But I realized I could give myself a giant head. And that's pretty cool. Or I could sit with myself if I do this. Oh, gotta get my cursor here. There we go. Jason, what are you doing back there? Yeah, I'm talking to you. Sorry. Why are you looking at your phone? We're doing a video thing. Thank you. Put your phone away. He looks bored. That's because he is. Look how shiny my head is. Look at that. You can make it look like a brain. You see that? It looks like a brain. The life of the teacher. It's pretty exciting. Pretty exciting. All right, Jason. You ready to go back to work? Me too. Bye.